Hey, PLTW2 students. Hope this finds you well and enjoying your virtual learning. For this week's PLTW2 assignment number 2, we're going to start talking about windmills using a website called Wind with Miller. This was something we were going to do in class anyways. The only difference is you were going to actually get to build windmills, and like we talked about, and try to get your windmills to power some certain things. So that said, I will attach this document to the Google Classroom assignment. It basically just goes through and you answer some questions. It's not too bad, pretty basic stuff, not something we would have done in class, but since we're doing it virtually, well, we'll have to make some adjustments. So when you come down and click in this, I've set up a link here that will take you to a website called Wind with Miller. I understand it looks like it's from the early 2000s, late 90s, but it's actually super high quality. Actually, it is. I guessed perfectly. 2001. Oh boy. All right. So we're going to click on Crash Course, and it takes a second to load, but it's going to take you through some specific items, the parts of the windmill, how the windmills work, how they save electricity and store electricity. And here it comes. It's pretty slow. So we got to click on him, and here we go. So a wind turbine consists of many parts. You'll click on each part to, it'll tell you what they do. So here's the rotor. Loading times are not the fastest right now on my internet. I'm not sure why. Sorry about that. But basically, you just click the different items, and it moves around and sets it up perfectly. Okay? Cool. On to the next page. So we click the arrow, and you kind of see how this works, on and on and on. Just be sure, as you're working, to have split screen up where you can answer the questions that are popping up through the activity sheet as you go. The sheet should go in the same order. So, anyways, that is what we're looking at this week. You can email me. I'm usually available all day. I'm always available 8 to 10 in the morning and 4 to 5 in the afternoon. I usually respond pretty quickly, not really leaving the house for anything. So please email me, message me, something to break up the boredom. If you guys want to set up a meeting and just have a discussion about whatever, let's do it. I'm going to go ahead and make that due next Tuesday, the 7th. And don't forget, we will have our Zoom meetings to discuss it and have some fun conversations about it that afternoon. So that's it. Any questions? Email me. Thank you. Take care. We'll see you next time.